Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video, and as you can see, this is a Kswapped EG Honda Civic, and it's here today for ECU exchange and remap. It's had a beautiful induction kit already fitted to it by our Richard and Jensen, so let's make some noise. Take it away, Rich.
Oh, I thought you normally do the intro.
Yeah, but this is really your cup of tea. It's an EG Civic.
What, because I own one?
Yeah.
So I own one, so then it makes it my cup of tea.
That's right. It's an EG Civic. It's got a Kswap. This ticks all the boxes.
Yeah, it does. Well, yeah, that's exactly what it is. EG Kswap Civic. Booked it in with us for map on ECU exchange. So, well, we're ahead of ourselves, really. This is, again, Bank Holiday Monday. It was down for induction kit and then map, and we thought, well, we haven't got any induction kits made up, so we'll get on that this afternoon, whilst obviously we've got a little bit of time left, obviously, in the day. So we jumped on that, got the induction kit done, and then thought, oh, we'll just put a base file on it, and then that turned into a map, and then it's
3 hours later and we're done.
Yeah, so we might as well, oh, well, we might as well just get on with it now, because we're sort of sat in it and we're doing it. So we're a little bit ahead of ourselves, which is nice. We've got a lot of work on this week in the workshop. We've got an amazing project in Uncle Keith's paint shop that we're all excited about. Yeah, so there's going to be a lot of other stuff going on. So I thought, well, whilst we've got the opportunity to get ahead of ourselves just a little tiny bit, then we're going to take that opportunity and get it done.
You said get ahead.
Yeah, get ahead. Get ahead, I said.
Get ahead each other.
Yeah, done really well. I can't remember what it come in as originally, because I didn't see that. What the power figure was originally.
I don't even remember what it's finished on.
Oh, I think it was about 220. I think we finished on 230.
Yeah,
I think
218.
Yeah, 218, somewhere around there when it came in. Obviously, we ran it with all the mods and everything, and with the ECU that was supplied in the car on it. We've obviously done an ECU exchange. Then, Matt, I mean, incredible power in the mid-range, as you expect.
50.
50 in the mid-range.
I like to look at that. 6,000 RPM. 50.
Yeah, 50 in the mid-range. VTEC in earlier, extended the rev range, made power across the whole graph. Yeah, like we always say, if you're looking at actual area under the curve on power, it's literally doubled it, ain't it? Which is great. So I can't see him being disappointed with that one little tiny bit. Not a lot of modifications on this car either. It's got a like a 4 to 1 conversion manifold, but not a big bore one. It's got some sort of custom exhaust on it that I can see, maybe 2.5 inch custom exhaust. And we fitted a Dynodaze induction kit today, and that's literally it. It hasn't got any other modifications, so I think that's bang on power.
Sounds immense, and you know what? The thing I love about these cars is, yeah, all right, how old is this car? It's the bodywork isn't mint,
well,
but it's working. But it's all there, like Keith says. It's all there. It's all working. It's a work in progress. You know, this could, you know, you could continue forward, improving this car.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, love it. Absolutely love it. Yeah.
Should we have a look at this graph then?
Yeah, another one in the bag. Let's go and look at the graph. So as the boys pack away for the day, here you can see red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves, and we finish today on 228 brake horsepower, which is what I'm calling that 200 at the wheels. There's another one in the bag. So thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. I'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
Well, indeed.
Dude, what's that? Oh, it's Jeno.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.